So if we do this, as an example, find the values of the 6 standard trig functions at, what about pi equals 5 pi, theta equals 5 pi over 6. So the book in here, up a little bit higher for you. There we go. So 5 pi over 6. Now, you remember pi is halfway around the circle. Well, 5 pi over 6 is all but pi over 6, meaning that this remaining angle here is 30. And the way that this thing is going to work is that it's going to kind of, it's going to work in from the 0 and the 180 side. Now I have to remember my Aztec. All are positive. In the first quadrant, sine is positive in the second, and Aztec, right? Tangent and cosine are positive there. So we have to do my unit circle here, my unit triangle here with my 30, 60, 90. And that's going to be just like what I just did. This is 1, so this is going to be a half, and this is 1/2 radical 3. So radical 3 over 2. Let me get this thing just away a bit. Okay. And so what I want to do here is I want to do the sine of 5 pi over 6. And I'm going to say, all right, that's opposite over hypotenuse. That's 1/2 divided by 1. 1/2 divided by 1 is 1/2. But the sine is positive, so we're good there. So it's 1/2. What about cosine of 5 pi over 6? Well, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, a way you can think of it, by the way, this whole Aztec thing, the reason why sine is positive, well, the 1 is always positive because it's the radius that sticks out from here. But this is positive because it's up, okay? And this one, which represents cosine, is going to be negative because it's left instead of right, okay? And that's why down here, where it's left and down, so they're both negative, but the ratio of opposite and adjacent is going to make tangent. It's negative divided by negative. That's why it's positive down there for tangent. Everything else is negative. Okay, cosine, this over 1, but it's negative because it's not positive. So negative radical 3 over 2. Tan of 5 pi over 6 is opposite over adjacent. So let's see, 1/2 divided by this, which is 1/2 times 2 over radical 3. Didn't we just do this? These guys cancel, you get 1 over radical 3, and so you get radical 3 over 3. Just did that one. And cotangent 5 pi over 6 is the reciprocal of this one. So it's radical 3. We just did this. Wait. Tangent is negative, so this one's going to be negative. This one's also going to be negative. Almost forgot that. Secant is the upside down of this guy, which is also negative. So you're going to get negative 2 over radical 3. Well, let's see. Do this. That's going to make negative 2 radical 3 over 3. Cosecant of 5 pi over 6 is the reciprocal of sine, so it's just 2 over 1. Sine was positive, so is this. Oh, if I show you what I'm writing, huh? Okay, I wanted to go over that with you. Sorry about all the shadows. It's late at night. And I am also sorry that my video is 2 videos. I thought I could pause it, but I couldn't. When I hit stop recording, it just started a brand new one, so my bad. All right, let's see. One more thing here. Yeah, all right, so let's do another one where we're going to find, let's see, if we know, let's say that we are given that sine of theta equals, let's say it's going to be 5/13. That sounds awful, but let's do it. 5/13, sine theta is 5/13, and we know that theta is between 0 and pi over 2. Okay? So pi over 2 is 90 degrees, so we're looking at the first quadrant here, and we want to find cosine and tangent. So we're going to find cosine of theta and tangent of theta. Okay, so if sine is, let's draw our picture because we're in the first quadrant because this is, 0 and pi over 2, right? So it's in here somewhere. So just slop that line up there somewhere like that and make the sine 5/13. Now this has to be 1. Now sine from this angle is opposite over hypotenuse. So this would just be 5/13. Okay? Now, what do we have here? If I look at, if they're going to, when they give you a problem like this, it's probably going to be a, what do you call, Pythagorean triple, like 3, 4, 5, or 5, 12, 13, right? But it's not 13 because if I divide everything by 13 to make that 1, I divide by 13, I divide by 13, I divide by 13 to make this equal to 1. There you go. That's how this is 5/13. This is 12/13. Right? So the cosine is just 12/13 because it's adjacent over hypotenuse. And the tangent is opposite over adjacent, which is going to be 5/12 because the 13s are going to cancel. Okay? You're going to have to be able to do a problem or two like that. Then you're going to have to remember your reciprocals, definitely. All this stuff that I told you here. Who's the reciprocal of what? Okay? So give this a try. It's just 4 problems. And I'll see you on the other side.